risk of losing your interest, and I turn a profit each time that we speak. Don't you know there's a coffin buried under the garden? Be there when we got here, be there when we leave. And my house was designed to kind of look like it's crying. The eyes are the windows, the garage is the mouth. So when they mention the sad kid in the sad house on Box Street, you won't have to guess who they're speaking about. Come on.